No, you coba. Yeah. Cheers, yeah?
Yeah.
So, this is the Lovina life, yeah?
Yeah. Yes.
Good vibe.
Said you needed a break and left with no heads up.
Yo, what's up? Good morning. It's 5:45 and it's time to go today to see some happy dolphins. Alright, just arrived to beach. That will be my driver. Alright, hello. What's your name? I forgot. G'day.
Hey, Damian.
Yeah,
Hi.
he will take me to the dolphins. However, as you can see, not much is happening here. He said this will be maybe another 2-3 boats. Very quiet, yeah?
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say,
What's up, Neo? So, how many trips do you have during these bad times? Tell me, when did you go to Dolphins last time? Tell me.
Oi! Months ago!
Oh my god. How many months ago? 1 month ago, yeah?
I think my last trip was on January.
Oh my god, that's 7-8 months ago.
Yeah.
So, and you feel cold or is hot?
What?
Cold or is hot?
Cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was quite cold a bit.
Yeah, it is cold. A beautiful sunrise. Oh my god. Wake up so early. That's first time I wake up at that time from the past 1 year or so. Let's see some dolphins.
that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow.
I just arrived to the spot. Just 12 boats today, which is not so bad. But when I was last time, was like a 50. Honestly, I was expecting it will be just maybe 3, but it's still not so bad. It's very flat water, as you can see, and we already saw dolphins. But I don't know, where I was with my camera. I will make a few nice shots. And this is the captain sleeping. So God bless us all.
Wow, beautiful. It's lekkerding.
So this thingy over here, that's the plankton.
I let you down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know I was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with my song. Tell you with my song. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? did not make you feel like you were happy for a while. I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine.
Alright, basically it's 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. Always making the same mistake, don't laugh at me. Still sleepy, you know. 7 a.m. and only 4 boats left. Everybody go home and we just waiting for the dolphins. You have to be patient like fishing, right? Well, current situation, 7:15, and we are only the one boat into ocean, on this ocean, and looking for the dolphins. It's very peaceful now. Who knows, maybe they gonna jump to our boat. No, that's not gonna happen, however, but yeah, seems very happy, right? What do you think?
I agree.
Yeah, very happy dolphins, right? And how about you? Are you still sleepy?
We are happy family now.
Yeah, we are happy family. 3 best friends. A good crack, good vet. Right, so
Yeah.
what's the plan, Captain? Where are dolphins?
The dolphins are getting away now
Alright,
to the other direction.
there.
So if we go in the morning, early morning at 6, so it's easy to find them with a lot of boats searching them around.
But everybody are gone and it's very difficult to find now, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And it's already hot.
Yeah. So
Alright,
hot.
let's go.
I'm getting hot.
Black man with the snorkeling, and let's go push this boat. Did you have a breakfast already?
Not yet.
Oh my god.
You wanna have
Oh, push.
some coffee or tea?
Alright, see ya fellas. Take care.
Catch up in Sanur.
Yeah.
See ya.
When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me.
Alright guys, I just climbed up this hill. So tiring. Behind me is the ocean, Indian Ocean, Lovina, and now I'm in the Brahma Vihara Arama Buddhist temple. This is the one of Buddhist temple in the North Bali, belongs to Lovina, with the beautiful Buddhist temple with the Balinese Hindu symbols like the gate and few other stuff. This is the younger sister brother of the very famous Borobudur temple in Java, close to actually Borobudur is in Yogyakarta. I used to be in Yogyakarta last year, however I wasn't a vlogger at this time yet, so I have not much material. However, there was so many people. By the way, here is always quiet. This temple is not so famous. This is the mini version of Borobudur. Basically there are 4 entrances to the temple, and the Buddha on the middle watching into each entrance. That's very nice. I have to speak quiet because yeah, in the Buddhist temple you have to be quiet to respect them. I will show you more part now. As you saw, a beautiful Buddhist temple. We also have a Buddhist temple like this one in Bali, few of them. It's very beautiful. This is mostly like a Thailand style of temples. However, Bali have also something to show. Very beautiful. I think that will be enough for this place. I will continue a Lovina vlog after break at home. It's so hot and I'm so tired after yesterday's trip, but don't worry, will be more about Lovina today.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
Food arrived, just ordered some, as you see, tuna steak with French fries.
Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
So, I'm in Lovina Beach. Yeah, we'll see how's the crack. It's 5:30 p.m. We'll see how's the stuff over here, if it's something happening. However, as you can see, it's how it is. Many things it's closed, few local people around. So few bullets, whites like me as well. However, not much is happening. Well, actually, Lovina is always a very peaceful place. However, on this path where I'm working now, normally is a lot of like stalls. You can buy some merchandise and people trying to sell you something like a wooden dolphins, stuff like this. Hi, honey.
Hi, honey. Hi.
This is how it looks in Lovina, honey.
Yeah. Wow. I'm so happy that you arrived safely at Lovina. Well, actually, I just arrived home, honey.
Yeah.
I miss you.
Oh, I miss you, honey. Oh, the internet is not so strong here.
Enjoy your time in Lovina, yeah?
Yeah, you. Yes,
Enjoy
honey.
your time in Lovina. Bye, darling.
I love you.
Stay safe.
There's two bars, this one and this one. One is called Bintang and other ones is called Bali. They are open, but there's nobody there inside. This is the beach, Lovina Beach, second part, where is the like a mini harbor. Over here they put some sign. Here some fellas playing the volleyball. Very peaceful. Very peaceful, very quiet, I have to say. However, nice. A long time I didn't be in Lovina actually. It's gonna be about 1 year. A good crack. Weather today is not the best, as you know. Lovina is super dry area. Buleleng, Lovina, Singaraja is the area where it's not much rainy. But well, it's a little bit cloudy, so today's sunset will be so. Yo!
You can try.
This is the maracuya from Singaraja, from Lovina. Sorry, my bad. This beautiful lady trying to sell me. So it's very quiet, yeah? You know, tourists at all, yeah?
Maybe you've been to Ubud.
Huh?
Ubud, many tourists.
No, it's the same. Everywhere is the same, you know. Ubud very quiet. Even Kuta, Legian, you know, in the city is super quiet, no people. Maybe some people. Good luck, yeah?
I used to talk with Winnie by phone. This lady saw me and she tried to sell me a maracuya. Maracuya is the passion fruit, by the way. Yeah, but some people trying to sell something. Making like a quiet big attention, walking with the camera. Not many YouTubers here. That's actually true. There will be some band over here. Here's some local people. I will see how's the crack. This is like a molo. Then Slovenia. Guys, what's the crack here? Mushroom, no?
Oh, do you like Korean?
No, I don't. Oh, this arak?
Yeah.
No, I'm not drinking. No, you coba.
Coba.
Yeah, no. Cheers, yeah?
Yeah.
So, this is the Lovina life, yeah?
Yes.
Good vibe, no problem.
Where are you from, my friend?
Originally or in Bali?
Oh, baby.
In Bali and in Denpasar, but originally from Europe. Good crack. No mushroom, no? No. Just arak, yeah?
Yes.
Alright. Enjoy, guys. Okay. No, God, it's true.
Kau anda bisa bahasa Inggris? Mulung.
Be careful over here.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Yo, what's up? That's my new friends from Lovina. What's your name? Putu and Ketut.
Yeah.
You from Lovina, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Selling bracelet.
And of course selling bracelets. My drone was here. Alright, so I'm in Lovina Beach sitting flying drone and look at this, how many people! Look at this, come all together, come, you too, eh?
I'm handsome.
Yeah. Not as me, but yeah.
Guys.
Alright, so they wanna have some questions with me and they will be on my YouTube channel as well, I don't mind. Alright, what's the question? Number one, come, quickly.
What's your name?
Oh, my name is Damian. Damian. What's your name?
My name is Yudik. You can call me Yudik.
Yudik, and all your names?
My name is Nanda. Hello guys.
You from all guys from Lovina, Singaraja?
Yes.
Bulalas, yeah? That's great. Okay, question number two. What's up?
This is my friend.
Quick.
What do you like favorite food in Bali?
Favorite food in Bali?
Yes.
Balinese food?
Balinese food. Do you like babi guling?
I don't really like babi guling, to be honest, but my wife loves it. For me... okay, next question.
Where is your wife?
My wife is at home working, unfortunately. I just come to Lovina to make a vlog. Lovina Singaraja, and I'm gonna go tomorrow to Ahmed. Okay, next question.
Next question for
Where you stay in Bali?
Next door.
Next door. Oh.
In Lovina next door, in Bali, in Denpasar.
How long you will stay with us?
Here in Bali?
Here, yes.
Already 4 years and 4.5 years. Next question.
Hobby.
Quick.
Your hobby.
I have 3 minutes for this on YouTube. It's already
What
one.
your hobby?
My hobby? Vlogging, YouTube.
Vlogging. Yeah.
Okay, next question.
Sorry, where you come from?
I'm coming from Poland in Europe.
Polandia.
Yeah, Polandia, yeah. If you like football, Robert Lewandowski. If not,
with
it's okay.
family, man?
No, just my wife is from Bali.
Oh yeah.
No, next question, quick.
You holiday or work in Bali?
I just live in Bali, so no work at all.
For holiday. Eh?
Yeah, never ending holiday.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Okay, next question. Maybe you have a question for me.
What is your impression when you stay in Bali?
I stay in Bali for 4 years. If I don't like it, I will be already in different country. So I love it. Right, that's
What do
it.
you-
Next question.
What do you think about Lovina or Bali Island?
Bali Island is very big and it's different in all that time. Everywhere where I go is different. If I'm gonna go to Kuta or Uluwatu or Ubud or in Lovina, it's completely different. So it's very difficult question about Lovina. It's very quiet. Always used to be very maybe not quiet, but very peaceful place, right?
Are you enjoy in here?
Yeah, of course, and of course.
Have you seen the dolphin?
I saw 2 times in my life. It's already. Oh my God! How do you think?
23.
28. Okay, that's the last question, okay? Thank you so much, guys. I hope so you're gonna pass the exam or whatever is it on the English, right?
You.
See you, take care. Well, so as you can see, maybe not much is happening in Lovina, but the vibe is so good, so cool. And the students come, we make a quick Q&A. Very cool vibe. Sea breeze behind me is open. 2 or 3 couples there. It's already getting dark. We make a quick time lapse of sunset. How it looks, the traffic in Lovina at 7 o'clock at night. It's quite busy. Everything seems nearly normal here. There's the Canteen 21 bar, however it's closed. As you can see, they have some renovation or something. Some people there inside and lights, but the bar itself it's closed. We'll see how is the something more. Here is some hostel and cafe, funky place. Seems open and colorful. Just driving around Lovina, I was looking for the bars. Actually, I was thinking to go to Taverna 21, however, it's closed, and I found this beautiful place. It's called Greek Taverna. Very nice. I will have a coffee. Actually, I don't want to drink alcohol or something. I just more want to have a coffee. Loud bikes, like always. A very nice place. My cappuccino arrived. Wonderful. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I'll just come back to the place where I stay. As you see, traffic on the road is quite busy, but this is the main road to the Girimanuk, as you know. I will go into the bars area next to the Lovina beach on the street, and we will see how is the things over there, cause yeah, but it's quite busy, I have to say. I mean, many things are open, as you can see over here. Yeah, what's up? So, the people are more happy in Lovina, I have to say, or at least it looks like. I will go now to the Lovina beach, and there are a few bars. I will see how is the crack over there. Over there is Tavern 21, probably the most famous bar in Lovina. However, it's closed, or maybe they open later, what I don't know. It's hard to say actually, but seems like it's closed. So, This is the one of the bars, just middle of the road in Lovina. It's actually bright. Let's see how is the crack over here. This bar is closed. I don't know what's the name. Other one is open. Yeah, not so bad. Actually, this is the two bars. This one is very funky style bar and it's open but it's empty, and opposite side is the Mu Warung, and it's full of happy people inside. So yeah, that's how it looks, the situation over here. I will go more into Lovina. And back to the main Pantai Lovina, and as you can see, not much is happening. However, there are two bars. Yeah, looks like open. One is very busy, other one is just open, so somebody is inside. Definitely vibe in Lovina is more easygoing. Other places are just closed. In general, in Lovina life is a little bit different than in Kuta Legian or Seminyak areas on south. I have to say that it's a little bit different vibe here. Everybody are more relaxed, as you saw. Few places is just open, other ones they are just closed. It's so loud on the street, by the way. Yeah, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. It's quite a long day. I hope so you're still watching me till the end. Not often coming to Lovina, so yeah, just literally will be longer. I hope so you enjoy it. Like always, don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe. Something new every day at 7 p.m. Bali time. Yeah, stay safe and see you tomorrow, guys. See ya, take care.